Learn knowledge in English and Gujarati.
Jnan.
Made funny and easy. Hello and your word today. Hey, welcome in. Today you will learn one powerful Gujarati word, and by the end you will remember it with a smile. Your word today is knowledge. In Gujarati, that is
Jnan.
Say it with me.
Jnan.
Nice. This is not just a school word. It is a life word, a wise teacher word, a glowing book word, and maybe even a word your future brilliant self says while wearing imaginary glasses of wisdom. Picture it. Let's make the word stick in your memory. The stranger the image, the better your brain behaves. Imagine a dark room. Then a lamp turns on over a desk, and the word
Jnan
appears in golden light. That is knowledge arriving dramatically, like it paid for a grand entrance. Now picture an old book opening by itself. Out of it rises
Jnan.
glowing like treasure. Not gold, not diamonds, just pure.
Jnan.
Honestly, a little less useful for buying snacks, but much better for passing exams. Tap your temple with one finger and say
Jnan.
Then open your hands like a book opening and say it again.
Jnan.
Simple examples. Now you will hear the word in easy English sentences, so it feels natural and useful. Knowledge gives people confidence. In Gujarati, the key word is
Jnan.
reading increases knowledge. Reading gives you.
Jnan.
She values knowledge more than money. She values
Jnan.
more than money. The opposite of ignorance is
Jnan.
ancient scholars preserved
Jnan.
in manuscripts. Tiny story with big wisdom. Listen to this short story. It is dramatic, slightly ridiculous, and perfect for memory. A child opens an old library door and finds a treasure chest. Inside, there is no gold, no silver, and sadly no chocolate. Instead, the chest is full of
Jnan.
The child blinks and says, well, this is much less tasty, but probably better for my future. The books whisper.
Jnan. Jnan. Jnan.
Mini dialogue. Here is a quick dialogue. Listen once, then repeat it like you are starring in a very intelligent movie. A. What do you want most? B. I want.
Jnan.
A. What do books give us? B. They give us.
Jnan.
A. What grows when you read and study? B.
Jnan.
Funny memory trick. Let's use humor, because your brain loves weird little jokes almost as much as it loves snacks. Imagine a sandwich going to school because it wants more.
Jnan.
Yes, a sandwich. It sits in class, takes notes, and whispers, one day I will be a smart snack. Silly? Absolutely. Memorable? Also absolutely. Now every time you think of knowledge, remember the ambitious sandwich chasing.
Jnan.
Quick quiz. Your turn. Answer out loud if you can. No pressure, just progress. What is the Gujarati word for knowledge?
Jnan.
You hear.
Jnan.
What does it mean in English? Knowledge. Finish the sentence. Reading gives us.
Jnan.
True or false?
Jnan.
Means knowledge. True. Quick speed round. Say the Gujarati word for knowledge now.
Jnan.
Culture and connection. Now give the word a little depth. Words stay longer when they connect to ideas and culture. Think of wise teachers, scriptures, libraries, and the calm feeling of learning something true. In that world,
Jnan.
is more than information. It feels deeper, warmer, and more meaningful. You can imagine Saraswati blessing students with
Jnan.
or a school in Ahmedabad with
Jnan.
shining above the gate. Friendly conclusion. You did it. One strong word, many fun connections, and now it is much easier to remember. Today you learned that the Gujarati word for knowledge is
Jnan.
Keep repeating it during the day.
Jnan.
Reading brings.
Jnan.
Study brings.
Jnan.
Life brings.
Jnan.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and come back for more words soon.